So I want to share with you what's going on at our house. We don't we don't take you inside the house very much for good reason, and we're trying to do some sprucing right now and make it a place that we're more comfortable, like a place that we want to be. And we had no idea that this was going to be happening.
Be, not want to pee.
Right, where we want to be.
Sometimes.
And we got home from the vacation, and really we just wanted to put a poster on the wall and find a place for these two new knickknacks that we brought home. And this happened. So like a lot of things happened. And we started trying to clean the house. And then the shit got way, way, way crazier and way worse. But it is getting better. But come here. We started painting. Literally, we were just trying to clean and make space for some new items, but all that stuff came out into the yard. We started renovating the bathroom. We started that renovation of the shower project. I mean, there's no time like the present. And this paint job is, it's kind of, we're over it. We did this last year. So we're trying to think of what we can do about that. And the funniest part though, is what's happening with our new color choices. We were kind of hoping for and going for something like more, something warm and like to bring more colors in, but not circus, which is what's happening now. We have purple.
The thing we've learned here is that Costa Rica does not get the paint colors super well. When you go try to mix them, you show them a swatch or you choose a swatch there, and literally every time you end up with a color that is not what you chose on the swatch, and so then you have to get it changed and you keep adding dye, and before you know it, you're spending the same price as you would a brand new gallon of paint.
It also could just be that like looking at it on a paint swatch is way different than looking at it spread out over a large area, and also painting it over an existing color that was already there. So we're kind of freaking out about what's happening in our house right now. It's not really what we wanted, but
we're considering it a prime coat, and we're probably gonna have to fork over some more money and choose some different colors because, yeah, they ended up so like bright whites, fluorescent base. We're hoping for a more earthy, darker, soothing vibe.
This is the original colors of the wall, and we're suddenly like grasping to what was there before. We're like, what have we done? But it's all gonna be okay. Everything is fine. We're gonna just keep working with it until it really is fine. We'll keep you updated on these projects and how it turns out.
At the very least, we're like helping preserve the wood and show the house love and preservation.
Many painted cockroaches squirmed their way out of the house today, so it's a catharsis.
Yes.
A purge.
Let's go see the animals. Come on.
I know. Come on, Galexia, let's go. Venga. Nope, she's turning the other way. Galexia, venga. Vamos. No, you stop. Go forward. Everyone move forward. Come on. Come on. Nope. Nope. Come on. Galaxia's just trying to make her way. Come on. She doesn't need you bombarding her. Come on. Nope. No. Hi, Lannis.
Wow. Hold up.
This is the double-edged sword of like getting everyone excited about afternoon treats.
There you go.
Is
Quit.
kind of cute and sweet, but also aggressive and scary sometimes. Oh my god. No, we're not going out there. In case y'all forgot about Millie, the worst goat in the whole world, here she is again. She's the one, just to remind y'all, who had those babies and rejected pretty much both of them, especially the girl. Still trying to get rid of her. She's still
to rehome her.
Right, rehome. Good night. Love you all to pieces. All right, so I wanted to give y'all an update on this painting process before we get past this really crazy point. I just wanted to show you what this is looking like. We've been a little bit worried still because, whoa. So we started out with this light orange and it kind of looked yellow, as you can see back there, which is not what we were going for. So then we went back to the paint shop and picked out a darker orange, and also not at all what we were going for. So then yesterday we started brushing it on, and when we got to this room, we realized that we were trying to put water-based paint over oil-based paint, which is not good. So it's going on very streaky, but then we had this cool idea to layer it, to put dark orange in the middle and then streak over it with the lighter orange, and it's actually producing a pretty cool effect. So our hope has been restored that this is going to end up looking good after all this work. It's got a very fiery effect, like a flame. So definitely warmer than it was before. It was like soggy rain cloud gray. And now it's
Flame.
Mexican fiesta. And combined with the purple, it's definitely interesting. So, yeah. Hopefully this weekend we will be done. Not that we haven't been having so much fun doing this. We're just like really ready to put our house back together and be able to find our rhythm again. This has been...
And find all our stuff again.
Yeah, find all our stuff again. We've lost things. You know how it is. Everybody's painted their house before. But if you haven't, it's crazy. Good morning and welcome to the Rainbow House. It was a very crazy and chaotic week of moving everything, cleaning everything. We didn't even realize how bad that was needed. I mean, I knew that it was bad, but I didn't know how bad. And painting everything. We painted almost every surface in the house. We definitely painted every room, and we went through that stage of kind of freak out, like, oh my God, what have we done? Because none of the colors were exactly what we thought. They were all brighter and wilder than uglier than we expected. And then it got even worse when we started trying to put these water-based, very cheap, by the way, paints on top of oil paint. That was just something that we didn't think about, and we didn't actually know that the paint in here was oil. But we got creative, and we kind of got this faux effect by putting the lighter color down first, and then putting the darker orange on top of that, and then going over it again with the lighter orange, and then like...
There's basically like 7 layers of paint at this point.
And there's a new house rule that absolutely nobody can touch the walls for any reason, especially the orange walls.
Especially him.
Yeah.
He's always touching the walls.
So you want to tell them what else happened this week? Or over the past couple weeks? Like, what is time?
We got back from our trip, which, I don't know, was that a month ago, a year ago, or like last week? I don't remember. But yeah, there's been just endless disasters and just things happening at every corner. Our barn is falling down. We had an animal with an injury. We lost our farmhand. We didn't lose him, but we had to fire him. And we promised him we were not going to tarnish his name. So that's all I'm going to say. If you want to find out a little bit more about that, you can get the backstage pass to our life. And you can do that through Ghost. You can follow the link in the description. And there you can kind of get a better feel for what exactly happened and how the drama unfolded. But it was a very intense, very stressful day.
We hold almost nothing back on ghosts, so if you really want to know the juicy details and all the drama, that's where you find it.
It's like everything is fine, unrated. But yeah, and beyond that, we've also let go of quite a few animals. So we're down to just one cow, Blanca, trying to find her a husband.
Desperately needs a partner.
We're down to soon just a couple goats. So yeah.
And no farmhand.
And no farmhand. And a lot of growing grass and a lot of jobs to do. And we need like volunteers. We need all kinds of stuff. Help, but we can't really bring that help yet because we don't have a place for volunteers, but that's like our biggest goal for the coming year or whatever, is to improve our infrastructure to be able to have help and maybe not even need another farmhand. So that would be a dream. If you want to help us achieve those goals, you can follow us on Ghost, support us on Ghost, and you'll help us realize our farm dreams even quicker.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and we love comments. Interaction and engagement lets us know that people are digging what we're doing and appreciating the videos. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you for another episode as soon as we can pull it together. Bye, y'all.
Everything is fine.